The number of hours Preely must work is shown by the inequality for H is greater than 24. Which of the following is a possible value for H? For H means they are multiplying. So we can do the inverse, which is divide by 4. And that would get us H is greater than 6. So let's go back. So if H is greater than 6, it's only one number greater than 6, which is D. 6 would get us 24, but it got to be greater than. All right, number 2. Morgan must practice the French horn more than 20 minutes a day. Use the number line to represent the amount of time in minutes that Morgan could spend practicing the French horn. Right, 20 minutes a day, more than. So that would mean we would need an open circle. It's hard to say these numbers. Put an open circle at 20, and then we're going to shade in the opposite direction. Kind of hard for me to see your number line, but wherever 20 is on your number line. Number 3, solve and graph the following inequality. All right, they subtracted 8, so we would add 8. So we get x is greater than or equal to 2. I teach my students to always put 0 on their number line and to only put the number that they need as approximate on where it should be. But you can list however you need. We have a greater than or equal to symbol, so that means we need a closed circle. We would shade in direction that the inequality symbol is facing, which is to the right. And number 4. What are the locations of points 4, 3? So x is positive 4, go up 3. I think it may be a little cricket. And negative 4, 3. Right there. Shade them in. All right, number 5. Mr. Roberts is a photographer. For each job, he charges $125 per hour. Mr. Roberts charged a total of $500 for a job on Wednesday. Which equation can be used to determine H, the number of hours he worked on his job? So per hour is a keyword to say multiply. So they would be doing 125 multiplied by H to get 500. So we have to do the inverse to divide, and that'll let us know how much he made each hour, or how many hours he worked. What is the value of x in the equation? 6x means they are multiplying, so we would divide by 6 to get x is equal to 48. 8. Yeah, x is equal to 18. All right, number 7. The model represents an equation, solve for x. Looks like we got x plus 6 is equal to 8. So the first thing would be to subtract 6 on both sides. To get x is equal to 2. We see the two that are left. All right, which equation is true when the value of x is equal to 8? So that would just mean we would substitute x into each equation. 8 plus 14, that would be 22, so incorrect. 3 times 8 is 24, incorrect. 8 minus 2 would be 6. 8 plus 14, we already did. 22. D is correct. What is the prime factorization of 400? 2 is the first prime number, and 2 times 200. 200 can be separated by 2. 100. 50. And then 25 can be separated by 5. So it would be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. Maybe written with exponents, 2 to the 4th power times 5 squared. Simplify 17 plus 4 parentheses 5 squared minus 10. We will use PEMDAS, or the order of operations. So let's do parentheses first. Inside parentheses, we got exponents. 5 squared is equal to 25. And I rewrite everything. All right, continuing parentheses, 25 minus 10 is 15. All right, now we're on multiplying and dividing. And we got 4 times 15, which is 60. Then our final step would be 17 plus 60, which would give us 77.